General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's knock this workout. So let's go here. Man, this year is almost over with. We still got some good trades setting up though. Today's the 28th, 7, 28, 25. News, Forex Factory. What did it say? OPEC. Joe's consumer confidence. Fed watch. I know nothing changed. CMU. We actually looking at the next one. (17th of September). 64%. That's pretty much unchanged since yesterday. Pretty much unchanged from yesterday. It's set in stone. They're not cutting rates this week. That's in the books. I'll put that in the books. Earnings is interesting this week, but only for Wednesday, Thursday. As far as NASDAQ, I mean, if you oil, that means oil report Friday. Where's the earnings? Here we go. I might be doing too much for my Sunday journal, but it's a learning experience. Visa tomorrow. Not gonna do nothing. Okay, so we got Visa. No top 10 for NASDAQ. So business as usual. Dollar on the daily. Whoa, look at this. Look at this candle. We came all wow. Now look at this candle. All kind of gaps too. We might come back up here. All right. But as far as just this picture, let's take this off. Yeah. Okay. What a way to start off week one of the monthly delivery. I will let it run up to catch the ride down. Higher for now is the bias, and we will wait and stalk. Today for NASDAQ. NASDAQ can't do nothing today. We sat around and okay, weekly objective hit. All right, nice. Monday target hit. Okay. Weekly objective hit as well as Monday target. See where we at on the weekly. Open with a doji. Monthly TP. This the month. July. Okay, this is the week. Yeah, I'm gonna say monthly TP is right there. Yeah, weekly start off with doji. Okay. Gotta take my shoes off. Okay, I already got that. Oh, snap. Okay, hold on, wait. There we go. Gapped up for the week. Gapped up to start the week. I'm still bullish for the week. Will look for buys below weekly opening price. Just hitting buttons all fast now. We above it. I still would like to buy below this high. That's still the plan. That'll be ideal. Here, really here. This is a gap here. There we go. I would like to buy under old daily high. Mm, Preferably, what's that? Friday's opening price. Preferably have Friday's opening price. Let's go here to H4. What's this? Previous week's high. I don't know why they say previous week's high. Oh, snap. I don't know what that was. Hold on, wait. Control Z. Yep. What is this? Okay, this is previous week's high. Okay. So this was last week. Previous week's high came up. Boom, boom, boom. Sat on this. Where is that area that I want to buy? It's probably right here. Yeah, old daily high, fair value. Right up in here. You can take this off as well. This flat bottom, it is interesting. This is an order block that's been untested. Yeah. Ideal buy zone here. We don't have to come to discounted here, but anything lower really. Fair value, these weak swings, this flat bottom. Okay. Looking for retracements. Not expecting them to be too deep. Target is higher. But I want to see Tuesday low of the week for me to engage. And one shot, one kill. H1. I actually feel like we can go higher now. Like H1 target, I would target here. I want to buy. Order flow is just bullish. 25, 538. I'm gonna put an alert here. And old daily high. Inflow is bullish. Target Monday's high. Alert set. Alert set at old daily high. I want to buy under lows for the week. All right. Boom. All right. Y'all have a good day. Peace.